Hello. So we got a new royalty-free image source in Aimogen, and to get this working, you will need to get Google SERP API key, because new source is Google Images Search, and this was available, and now we also get the Google SERP API usage. This is the official API from Google to search images, and you will be able to benefit of this with this plugin update. So in this recent update, if you want to set up Google SERP API to be used to import royalty-free images, you should do the following steps. So go to settings menu of the plugin, API keys tab, and here scroll down until you see Google SERP API key. Click on this link and you will be able to sign up to Google Cloud. And after you signed up, you should sign in and create a new project. For this, click on New Project, fill out the information which is requested from you, and you will be able to create a new Google Cloud project. In here, be sure to click on Library, and first thing first, this is required. Search for custom search, and the custom search API will be listed. Click on it and click the enable button. I don't have the enable button because I have this already enabled, but for you, for new projects, you will need to enable the custom search API for the Google Cloud to allow access to this resource. So afterwards, you will be able to go to API library and go back to your credential screen, where you will be able to click here to create a new API key. So click create credentials and API key, and you will be able to create your API key, which needs to be here added here in the plugin settings. Afterwards, you will be also needing to create a new search engine. So for this, click on this link, sign up, sign in, and click add. Here, add your search engine name. This is some generic stuff. Enable the image search from here, fill out the captcha, and you are good to go. You will be getting this custom search engine. When you created your search engine, click on it and get the ID, search engine ID. So this is the ID which needs to be entered here in the plugin settings. So click save, and after you click save, you will be able to go in the royalty-free images tab from here, and if you scroll down, the enable Google SERP API usage will be enabled for you, and you will be able to use Google Search API for images to get royalty-free images for your posts. So to show you this in action, we will be able to go to Omniblocks, because Omniblocks are a great way to demonstrate stuff, as they have a way to execute only a specific action. So we have here the royalty-free image search Omniblock, edit, and leave it only in the settings, and search for dogs, for example. And let's save this Omniblock rule. And now that we save this Omniblock rule, we will be able to also execute it. So click run now on it, and now the Google search will be able to return this image for us to use. So this is how you will be able to use Google SERP API in the Aimogen plugin to get images for your posts from around the internet. Okay, so Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment if you have ideas or suggestions. This is all for today. Bye bye.